What is up, YouTube? Yup. Now this is the video that I was supposed to give you guys in the first video, but you know, I had Sun with me, so I couldn't really act up like I wanted to, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to show you guys like what the Scatpack really holds, you know what I'm saying? It's true power, you know what I'm saying? We about to dive right into that, you know what I'm saying? Let's go into sport. We're gonna go into performance pages. And if you guys are watching the video so far, look at 5-0 right there. If you guys are watching the video so far, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm about to give you guys what you want. You know what I'm saying? Look at 5-0. Yeah, you better not try to chase me, pussy. I'm gonna take off on your ass. Hey, this car is loud as fuck. You see I got Blicky with me. You know I don't play. Don't even try to play with me. We're about to see how the car get up. You don't get nowhere hating. You just gotta be real. Support, be real, work hard, you're gonna get there. Let's really see what this car is about. Look at him. That's the first shit. This first gen ain't about it. What's he about? What's he gonna do? Easily burnt him, you know what I'm saying? I just didn't want to. I was right there with him. Come on now. Come on now. Now you telling me. Don't tell me. Let's see what that's about. Charger, y'all. Did y'all hear that? That's a Pro Charge first gen. That motherfucker getting it. Look at him. That's crazy. I ain't never seen a Pro Charge first gen. That's crazy as fuck. Wow. I know y'all heard that. That shit was like, that shit was cranking. You know what I'm saying? It was cranking, it was loud. It was like screeching. Whenever a car is like loud and screeching, and the front, you know it's Pro Charge. Now my Scat, this Scat ain't normal. This Scat was keeping up for Pro Charge first gen. That's respect. That's respect in my books. I don't know about in y'all books, but that's respect right there. I fucks with that. Look at this. Wow. Hey, that's respect. For it to be a first gen, with it being a 6-speed, and with it being Pro Charge, hey, that's what's up. That means he would have smoked any motherfucking car. Like, he would have definitely smoked a Hemi. He would have smoked a regular Scat for sure. This ain't no regular Scat though. I want y'all to know right now. And yes, I listen to Set. Yeah, that's not what this is. Hey, that shit was lit though. Y'all see me, I get active. I definitely get active. If y'all made it this far, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It goes a long way. It helps support the channel, you know. I'm trying to get up there. I'm at least trying to get to 100 subscribers. I should already be past that, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm a good driver, as you can see. The Scat needs a little bit of work. The Scat just got a brand new transmission because, you know, the transmission that it was in it, when I bought it, it was trash. So, it's got a new transmission. I need to get a rack and pinion. Once I get a rack and pinion and get some new rims on here because the rims are leaking. Once I get that, the car is gonna run smooth. It's gonna be so smooth. Right now I'm feeling jerking, jumping. Once I get all that fixed, it's gonna just be a smooth sail. Try to catch them 2 Chargers. Y'all know y'all see them 2 Chargers over there? I'm gonna try to catch that. Hey, and I caught them with ease. What is this car doing? This car act like he's trying to get active. Look at this. I don't know what type of Charger that is. This car getting active over here. Look at this. Let me try to catch him. What is he doing? This car is getting it. Oh, let me roll the windows up because I don't think y'all can hear me. This car is getting it down here. Do y'all see this? Oh my God. This motherfucker's going like 130. He is sailing. I'm gonna try to catch his ass, man. You know, if I had everything fixed, I could have caught him easily. But you know, I'm feeling vibration and everything. I'm not trying to fuck up my car. You know what I'm saying? But this motherfucker, he's speeding. He's speeding for sure. Look at him. Look at him. Let me get behind his ass. Don't slow down now, pussy. Keep on going. I don't know what the fuck type of car you in. Is he in a Altima or a Camry? What is this? Is it a BMW? I think it's a BMW. He slowed down, I'm scaring him. All right, let me get away from him. That motherfucker was flying, y'all. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what the fuck type of car he was in. If y'all know what type of car he was in, let me know in the comment section below. Cause hey, that motherfucker, he was getting it. Look, what is this? What is this? He's in a Jeep Patriot, getting it. He has to at least be going like 100. What the fuck? What's up with everybody like speeding this shit? I was just trying to give you guys a normal POV. This is me trying to keep up with normal traffic. This is crazy. This is my daily life in Houston, y'all. This shit is nuts. I can't believe this. If you guys got drivers like this, and whoever that was back there, I think he was in like a Toyota or a BMW. If you guys got drivers like that, let me know what city y'all from, cause I'm from Houston, yo, and this is what I gotta try to keep up with. I'm surprised I passed the ambulance, cause the ambulance be getting it too. I mean, as he should though. He gotta save lives, you know what I'm saying? But look at that Jeep. I can easily catch him, but you know, this is my exit, so hey, like, comment, subscribe, YouTube. I fucks with y'all. I fucks with y'all heavy. Y'all motivate me to keep going. I love y'all. Stay blessed and stay in tune for the next video. Peace. I'm out.